Hey there guys, welcome back to Coral Sisters. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. If you're new, welcome to the family of Fullest Coral Sisters, where we help you grow and groom your natural hair at a very inexpensive cost. Also, we provide great DIY recipes to grow your hair, and you're in the right place if you want to grow your hair, want to go on a big chop, or want to start or join the healthy hair lifestyle. So, let's get started already. So we're on a rice water challenge for the next 30 days. I just took down my protective style. That was last 2 weeks. Basically, yeah, last week actually. Okay, so and then I'm going to I have my rice water here with me, but this one has been infused with the onion juice, and onion juice is great for growing a healthy hair. Now, rice water contains pitera, inositol, and great amino acids that help groom a healthy hair, also prevents hair damage, and also promotes and improve cell regeneration. So you have your hair grow more, the follicles are stimulated, and rice water is also great for providing sleep for really tough hair. It literally conditions the hair as well. So that's one of the reasons why I really enjoy it. And my hair tends to really love rice water. Well, several people have issues with product and protein buildup in their hair. I advise that while you're on the rice water challenge, please do well to always rinse your hair with apple cider vinegar and water in a ratio of 1:2 respectively. Okay, now straight into how I'm going to detangle my hair and just see what my hair looks like. Yeah, I haven't touched it. I put it in the stronger twist and then I left it on. So I basically just been on the head wrap thing for a while now, or for the entire week. So just to show you what my hair feels like and the kind of sleep rice water gives my hair. And do well to subscribe, like, and share this video as well. And welcome to the family of healthy hair. Okay, so to get started, I have my rice water, as I told you, infused with onion juice, which has been used over research to grow healthy hair. It's also great for if you have edges issue, your hair is balding, onion juice could be your best friend. And then imagine combining onion juice rather with rice water. It is a great hair growth recipe, and I've been including this in my hair growth recipe for the next 30 or even 90 days. So after now, I'm going to just go in with my cheba powder because I want to continue my cheba hair growth challenge from where I stopped. That was last year. So let's detangle first. I had put my hair under, I tried the flaxseed gel for my hair and it was amazing. Since then, my curls have been separated and well defined, even when I try to comb. I'm sure you can barely like see what happens there. So, and then it created a beautiful sleep. That was my first tryout on the flaxseed gel for my hair, and it did have great curls. The result was amazing. I'm just going to flash it on the screen so you get to see it. But that I tell you, I would recommend. And why I love flaxseed gel is that it is an all natural moisturizing hair gel. So there is never too much of it as long as you're able to moisturize, go in with water, and then your favorite cream or oils, okay, or mix and blend some oils. All right. Okay, so that's basically my hair. I just twisted it. That was 2 nights ago with my rice water, and then yeah, basically just rice water. But 3 nights ago or 4 nights ago, I did twist it with rice water and my my leave-in conditioner. That is Mega Growth leave-in conditioner, and it is amazing. My hair is so shiny. I'm sure you can see. So my hair is so shiny and it's actually really beautiful. All right, so I'm just going to finger detangle everything because I advise that you do not just rush into grabbing a comb or grabbing water into your hair when you take down a protective style, especially when you've worn for a pretty long time, because you do not want your hair to get all stiffy and frizzy, and it could make the tangling a lot difficult. So the first thing you do is run your hands through with your fingers and through your hair rather, to make sure that your hair is properly finger detangled before you even go in with water. With the results my hair is getting lately from twist out, I might just have to do a full-blown twist out, but I'll just have to use my flaxseed gel. There is another natural hair gel I'm going to try out, and once I do, I'll leave a video for everyone to see. Let's see what that gel does on a 4C curl. I am 4B, C, no, in between, but mostly 4B. So my hair tends to get a little curly, but it is not bad. The fact that your hair doesn't coil doesn't mean your hair is not good enough. It's still really good. It's just that is your hair type. So you learn to love your hair and learn to love the results it gets with some of the products that you do use. Hey guys, welcome back. So what I'm going to do is, as usual, I part my hair in sections because I love to work with sections. It makes it a lot easier for me. So just take the front section first. Sorry. I'll try not to use comb because also trying to make sure I don't comb my hair too often lately. So I might just go on a no comb challenge. Who's with me? If you're ready to join, let me know. I'm sure it's going to be an interesting one. Okay, so this is what the front side of my hair looks like, and it is all dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to part this first, one section at a time, guys. Remember the rules. Good. So I finger detangled, and I'll just run my hands through to be sure of what I did. And you have to be gentle on your hair as well. So easy, babies, easy. So you don't rip it off. Okay. All right. So this is my rice and onion juice ready here. So my rice and onion juice is ready. I'm going to just spray it into my hair from the roots. You're going to have to bear the onion juice smell if you're going to do this. It smells awful, but it's okay. And then through the strands of my hair. Okay. So here's what I told you guys about the rice water. It provides such a great sleep for my hair. Did you see that? Mhm. My hair is already smelling like sauced chicken or marinated chicken or some sausage of a kind, but it's okay. So you run the through gently with your fingers. I'm going to wash my hair today, but I'm just doing this first because this is going to be like my own pre-pull. Finger detangle, no comb, from the root all the way down. And then just do it first. Okay, so after completing the entire detangling process with my rice water and onion water mix, this is basically like everything I lost today. Catch it? Yeah, this is all I lost today. And trust me, it would have been worse if I was using comb. So this is like everything I lost. This is a lot with the hair, but that's okay. But I've noticed that my edges, I'm having new growth around my edges area. I didn't used to have hair any part of this part, like this part was almost bald, but I'm having new growth almost every day. I'm having new growth all around the edges. And then my roots are getting thicker and thicker and fuller and fuller, and I must confess that I super, 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 super love this. And also, if you've not joined the Rice Water Hair Growth Challenge, please do so because you are going to learn a whole lot of stuff. And now, okay, so this is it for my detangling, and this is it for how I do my Rice Water Hair Growth Challenge. I'm just going to wear this in and let it dry. It's just going to be like this with me. Once it dries, wherever I'm going to today, I'm just going to go everywhere with my hair in a head wrap because I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to touch my hair. So guys, thanks so much for watching, and please